This is the quickest way to install 407 front shocks on any 407 model apart from the coupe with electric struts. So what you need is an impact gun that's very handy with a 24mm WD-40, an 18mm on a ratchet, flathead screwdriver, an E16 socket, an 8mm socket and some sort of bar, lever bar, etc, etc. With the WD, spray this one, and the bottom of the drop. So remove the arch liner. That uses a flat head for the plastic bits, and then there's one there and one there, and they are 8mm. And then pry the lower arm down and take out the side of the tank with the impact gun. So we've pry barred that one out the top there and the one out the bottom. Get that drop link off. So the 18mm on the right hand side and on the left hand side the E socket, and you're going to use that to work against one another on those to loosen this center big long nut out, so you can slide it out from the top of the arm. Like that. So the arch is pulled out so you can get the center bar outlet, and then this will spring up and this drops out. You can then perch this all forwards to be able to get the shock out once you get the drop link out here and loosen your top nuts.